Very good afternoon and welcome to Clappingo. I'm Sindhu Padmati. I'm your speaking partner for today. Is your name Ritika?
Yes, my name is Ritika, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Good to know. And I'm having a small young student today. Ritika, you study in which class?
I'm in 4th standard right now, and I'm 9 years old.
Wow, 4th grade and 9 years old. And where are you from?
Navi Mumbai Ghansali.
Mumbai. Wow. Did you not go to school today?
I just arrived from school because my school closed at 12 o'clock, so my mother came to pick at 1 o'clock.
Oh, wonderful. That's really nice. You study for half day. Then what's your routine? After you take the class, what do you do?
After this class, I have not completed my homework, so I would complete my homework. Then I will play with my sister. Then I will eat food. Then I will practice Hindi reading.
Oh, Hindi reading. Is it difficult for you?
Not Hindi, but Marathi is also like Hindi, but it's very hard for me.
Oh my God, you have to study Marathi also.
But I'm learning right now.
Oh, that's a very tough language, I think, Marathi. I can't understand Marathi.
So I can't understand Marathi.
Is your mother tongue Hindi or Marathi?
My mother tongue is Hindi.
Okay, so you're learning a lot of languages. So in a way, it's useful because you get to communicate with a lot of people. If somebody doesn't know English and if they know only Marathi, you can communicate with them. If somebody doesn't know Marathi, but they know only English, then you can communicate with them, right?
Ma'am, is your mother tongue Hindi or English?
My mother tongue is actually Malayalam because I'm actually a Keralite. I'm from Kerala. And I know Kannada because, I studied in Bangalore. I was brought up in Bangalore. And now I'm settled in Rajasthan. So I know Hindi. I can understand Rajasthani, but I can't speak Rajasthani.
Oh.
Have you been to Rajasthan?
No.
Okay, I welcome you to Rajasthan. Whenever you get a holiday, you can come here and see all the palaces and forts. There are lots of palaces.
Which is the Which is the famous thing? Famous places.
Famous place, the capital city, Jaipur, also called as the Pink City. There is a lot of palaces and forts, like the Amer Fort, they say. The Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a famous building. So a lot of places.
Everything is pink there.
In Jaipur, most of the palaces are built with a pink colored sandstone. Okay, so that's why it's called as the Pink City. Who's new? I hear a baby.
I have a small sister who is 1 year. Means she is 9 months old, but her birthday was on December. Now she's 1 year old. She's crying for the carrot.
Carrot. Where's the carrot with you?
I don't have the carrot. She dropped it and now she's looking for the carrot. She's saying, where is the carrot gone? She started to cry, that's why.
Oh, I see. Is your mom around to control her, to take care of her?
My mother is always busy, so my sisters are taking care.
Oh, you have sisters also? That's nice. Okay, good. Ritika, which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink, purple. And ma'am, which is your favorite? And which language can you speak? Only you can speak.
Okay, my favorite color is same like yours, pink. Pink is my favorite color too. That's why your room is painted pink, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Even my room is actually this room. See where I'm sitting now, the wall is looking whitish, but it's actually a very, very light pink, like peach. So you
Oh,
can't, yeah,
light pink.
yeah, peach. I can say peach, pinkish. It's pinkish, but in the picture you can see it as whitish. Yeah. So Ritika, tell me, do you look at the session notes that we send out?
Yes.
Okay, so today we have a nice topic. Would you like to talk with animals or learn all foreign languages? Tell me, what is best for you?
I would think speaking foreign language,
Oh, okay.
because
Hmm.
if I speak foreign language, I will get a company. But if I speak with animals, I'm not going to get a company. But I'm going to get,
Oh.
means I'm going to have to take care of the zoo.
Oh my God, your thoughts are so sweet. Me, I love animals. I'm an animal lover. So if I get a chance, I would love to learn to talk to animals because then I would ask them, "How are you?" and they would respond. If they have any problem, they can tell me. If they're hungry, they can tell me. I'll give them food. If they have any pain, they can tell me. I'll get them medicines. But now animals can't say anything. Yeah.
I also like animals, so I think I would like to learn both language. But if I got to choose one, I would choose the foreign language.
You're very smart. That's a shrewd move, we can say shrewd. See, I'll type that word. Yeah, shrewd. Shrewd move means very smart move. So you are planning in your mind, you have a very nice plan that if you learn the languages, you can get to work in a lot of companies and you can communicate with a lot of people around the globe, right? That's really nice. Smart move. Yeah. And animals means it's just for love. You don't get job. It's just love, love, love. Right?
Ma'am, if there is one, if um, like if you speak and if pretend you are in office and one animal came, so inside office mistakenly because the gate was open. So now what are you going to do? So it's better to learn both language. You can speak the animal language.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. But which animal are you talking about? Which animal would enter here?
It can be a dog, because you know that dogs, how they are.
Yeah, it had happened once when I was teaching in a school. I was having the parents teachers meeting that day at school, and it was a Sunday. And my pet dog, followed me to school because it was checking where I'm going on Sunday. So it came to school, and I was taking the meeting, and the dog was sitting under my table. And some children were very friendly with the dog, but some children were getting scared of the dog. Then they chased the dog away. They chased him out of the building, but it jumped over a wall and it came inside again. It came inside.
He was when he was behind, you could you could hear his footsteps.
Yeah,
So
I could hear, and he knew exactly where I'm sitting, and he would come to that room. The gate was closed, but still he jumped over the wall and he entered the building.
means the wall was here and he started to climb the wall.
Yes, yeah, the wall was not too high, so he was able to jump over it.
You are a teacher, ma'am.
I was a teacher when I was a teacher at a school at that point of time. It's years ago, many, many years ago.
Oh.
Do you have any pet?
I would like to have a pet, but I'm scared. My uncle was asking, would you like that cute little dog? So I said I would like, but when he grows big, so what about he may mistakenly bite someone, and then they would
Yes.
say, what is your dog doing? Why did he bite me? Did I do something wrong? I would like a parrot.
Oh, parrot. Parrot. But parrot also can bite us. It bit me once. I found a,
You also.
sorry, please
It
repeat.
bit me also when I was in my village.
Oh yeah, so you know the experience. They have very sharp beak and they can bite people. I only tried to save the parrot. The parrot was fallen down. I picked it up to save it and it bit my hand.
They think we are going to what do we say that?
Harm them. Harm.
Them.
Harm. Yeah, correct. They think that. Yes, right. So, okay. What about cat? Do you find cats very cute?
I find them, but they are so. If I had a cat, you know that cats are very lazy.
Yes, I know. They keep sleeping always.
Always sleeping, and dogs. If you are blinded, so dogs will help you.
Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah, they are very helpful. Okay, so sweet. It's lovely speaking to you, Ritika. I really enjoyed the conversation, and you speak really well. Your pronunciation, your energy, your smile, you interact with me naturally, very naturally, as though you know me for long, long years, as though you're my friend. So that's brilliant. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I really love, yeah, and I really love your thoughts. You're so smart. You think about future. Even when I spoke to you about having a dog, you said that mistakenly if he bites someone, then you will be blamed for it. So your thinking is really good. Okay. Now what could be improved? See, when you say my sister is 1 year old, that no 1 years, because one is singular, right? 1 year old. Okay. For two, you can say 2 years old. 2, 3. In plural, you can say years. Next is when you go to, if you're going to, or if you're working in a office, you said. It's not a office, it's an office. Yeah, now you know. But that time you said a. Okay. And you said blinded. If we are blinded, no. If we are blind, the dog will help us. No need to add ed to blind. Okay.
If you're blind.
Yeah. If you're blind, the dog will help you. And the next one is the vocabulary harm, which I told you. You were not getting that word, but I gave you the vocabulary. And the other slight error is when you use words with a silent R. For example, mother. That has a silent R towards the end. Mother, not mother. Care. Care. C-A-R-E. Care. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. That R is silent, purple. Yeah. And come here, here. No, R is silent, okay? No R. Go there. R is silent. Good morning. When you say morning, R is silent. Early, early morning. So again, there R is silent. Yeah. So that's it. You are speaking absolutely fine. Just keep that R silent because then you'll be perfect. Right?
Okay.
So do you have any doubts or questions from whatever I told you so far?
Ma'am, I just want to ask you, can you give me some tips to learn English that I can speak like you?
Like me?
Yes.
Oh, I speak English. As a young child, even before I got into school, the reason being my neighbors in my neighborhood, all the kids used to know English. So I used to speak to them. So when I was 2 years old, I started speaking in English. And then when I joined school, even before I joined school, I knew English. And when I joined school, it was compulsory for us to speak in English. And after that, when I started working also, it's compulsory to speak in English. And now, see, I worked in a bank, then I worked in different schools in Rajasthan. So I was speaking English. Now I'm teaching online. So here also I speak English. So when we speak English continuously, we'll be very fluent in English.
And when you were 2 years old, then you started to speak English.
Yes.
My
Because we had
younger sister is speaking English My sister was speaking English when she was 2 years old, just like you.
Hmm. Yeah, that's brilliant. So you will.
Pari right now, Pari is 3 years old. And still she
Okay.
speaks nice English better than me and my other sisters.
You'll also speak like them. Don't worry. You are on the right track. You're speaking really well. That's nice. Just the slight mistakes, okay? That you'll overcome. When you grow up like them, you'll overcome that. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's see if we have some vocabulary in this. Okay, I'll type a word for you.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me check your pronunciation and if you know the meaning. Okay, I think you know the meaning. What's this?
Bank.
Look careful. Did I type? No. B-A?
Wait, let me check, ma'am.
Yeah.
Break. And the next word is what is the first word?
First word is shrewd. When I said you made a smart move by choosing to learn all different languages. Shrewd. S-H-R-E-W-D. Shrewd means smartness, smart move. Choosing
Smart.
something. Yeah, correct. So I told you, you are very shrewd. That means you're very smart. Okay. So I see that reading is a challenge for you. You're finding it difficult to read. Speaking, you're absolutely fine. Reading has to be improved, right? And the word below that is bark, B-A-R-K.
The dogs are barking at me.
Yeah, but now, as I told you, it has a silent R. So you'll say bark.